Hey guys, how you doing? It's March 19th, 2010. Just do a quick update here on a few articles. I did check out the health care bill. Tried to read some of it last night, but it's written in lawyer's language. I don't know if you guys have read it. Um, that's tough to read. I can't understand hardly any of it. I don't claim to be very smart, but it's hard to understand a lot of the jargon they use. And yeah, it's posted for 72 hours before they vote on it on Sunday. But you'd have to get a lawyer sitting beside you to even understand it. There's probably paragraphs in it, in the 2,000 plus pages. But I imagine, it's still going to pass. Even Dennis Kucinich, he got on the Air Force One with Obama, and I think Obama persuaded him because he was voting no on the bill. And now he's changed his vote to yes. And Dennis Kucinich is someone that disagrees, even though he's a Democrat, he disagrees quite a bit with Obama's policies. So who knows what was said on the plane? You can only guess. Also, British Airways is shucking down and laying off people and canceling flights. And the reason for this, they say, is because lost revenue. They need to tighten things up quite a bit, they say, just to stay afloat. And so they're canceling a lot of flights over to New York. 4 flights from New York, or from there to New York today, are being canceled. Also, back to that health bill, they say that it's going to cut $940 billion in spending over a 10-year period. So it's going to reduce the deficit over a 10-year period of almost $1 trillion. I don't understand how that is. Maybe I'm ignorant, but when we have less tax revenue, okay, and more people losing their jobs, and our manufacturing is shipped overseas, how are they going to expect to dish out this kind of money and with a reduction in their revenue? I think it's going to compound the situation and make it worse. And they're funding this through higher taxes to us. And so I don't think this is going to set well with a lot of people. Also, there is an article on Patriot Trading Group about hotel industry. There's a lot of chains that are feeling this in the recession that we're in. I'll read this article. It's by Gary Stoller from USA Today. Neil Cornelson says he misses the free cookies in the evening at one hotel and the daily newspaper outside the door at others. He also is noticing that the bath towels in a growing number of hotel rooms are shabby and need to be replaced. Cornelson, a sales manager in Marlton, New Jersey, is one of many frequent travelers who say they see the tangible effect that the recession has had on the nation's hotel chains. Among them, rundown rooms with fewer bathroom amenities, closed club lounges, fewer staffers, slow room service, reduced hours at restaurants and bars, and infrequent airport trips, through shuttle services. And that's just another effect of the recession. And you can see how it kind of trickles down and affects all aspects of the economy, including hotels. Also, I was just driving by Flying J, and they just raised their prices on diesel again. I think it's $2.92. That's over 22 cents in the last two and a half weeks. And this article caught my eye here. It's gas prices highest since 2008, jump almost 20 cents in the past month. Well, it's only been about 2.5 weeks here. U.S. motorists are paying the highest prices for gas since October 2008. Retail gasoline prices rose on Thursday to an expected increase in demand as more expensive spring and summer blends of gasoline make their way to the pumps. The nationwide average hit $2.79 per gallon, and that's average here. And I drive a diesel, so it's pushing the $3 mark real quick here. And this summer, who knows what it holds this summer? You know, that $4 a gallon stuff that we had was crazy. You know, hopefully it doesn't get back there. Idaho's plan to downgrade the dollar. You know, there's a kind of a crazy article here. They're saying that they want to pay their taxes with silver in Idaho, and there's several other states that are interested in doing this type of thing, and actually doing some trading and currency transactions with gold and silver. Idaho just mentions this one, with only one state representative dissenting, only one. The Idaho House State of Affairs Committee voted on Monday to endorse HB 633, a bill that would allow Idaho citizens to pay their state taxes with an official state silver medallion. The news comes just a month after the South Carolina legislature introduced a bill seeking to ban federal currency altogether. Wow, that's interesting. And replace the upstart greenback with gold and silver coins. Imagine that, a currency backed by gold and silver, or doing transactions in gold and silver. Crazy stuff. I think they probably realized that the greenback's not going to be worth much here shortly. That was it for today, guys. It's Friday. The southern part of Wyoming is supposed to get 3 to 7 inches today. And up here in the northeast corner, it's supposed to hit probably 35, but then back in the 50s by Monday. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a good weekend. Be safe, take care, and have a great day. See you guys.